Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a printable planner in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Canva web application, which of course I have done right here. And then the next thing is I'm going to show you how exactly you can jump right into today's task. Okay, so first you can design by starting the design from scratch. Clicking on this create a design button to start your design from scratch. If you're professional, then this is actually a good place for you to start. And if you're a beginner or you're a lazy professional and you just need creative ideas and templates to explore, then let's head over to templates. So you can go ahead and use the search bar to, of course, look for templates that will just help you spur that creative spark that you have inside of you when you're designing. So how do you design a printable planner in Canva? So let's do planner. Oh my God, I wasn't typing. So just click on that and planner. So these are planner templates. All right. I'd like you to know that those designs that are labeled Pro, it means you can access them easily. So that's like Pro. It means you have to upgrade your plan, but there are others that are not labeled Pro, and those are free. So this is a planner here, and just like the daily planner that you can use. So this is one of two. I'm just going to open that up. It's free. Let's plan our lives, daily lives. So click on customize this template, and it's going to open you up to the editor window. So I'm not going to take too much time on this, right? I'm just going to show you what you can do to, of course, use this planner. So this is daily planner kind of thingy, and you have like your to-dos. All right, there's a date what you're set to do. Okay, so this is like top priorities, and I have reminder, you have daily affirmations, and for tomorrow. So scroll down and you're gonna see more. All right, it's like two, and yeah, like literally the same thing, but then different timings that you can use. So you have a daily planner here. All right, and it says do more of what you love. You can do that. You can customize that by double clicking. Just double click so that you can edit that, like this quote, right? You are made for more. It's not really conspicuous, so just click on that and click on this font size thingy and increase the font size. Let's say to 6, or you can just click on that and you can also change the fonts if the font is looking too fancy. So click on this and change the font. So here are fonts that you can change to, but I like that font. All right, so this is daily planner, so you can customize the time, double click and change the time to start from where you want to. So let's say this time, what do you want? All right, so here are like top priorities. What are the things that you want to add to this? I can just click on text. All right, add a little bit of body text, and there's a little bit of body text. I want to, so I'm going to double click and say, I'm going to double click this and write devotion. All right, so I'm going to move this, hold the mouse and hold your left click. All right, so just, that's awesome. So I'm going to reduce the font size so that it's not just going to be overwhelming there. So this is like devotion thingy. So I can now click on this and duplicate, and then drag and just drop. All right, drag and drop this to this other side, and then let's say take a bath. So you can just click and duplicate so that you can have exactly the same thing. So, and then you double click and you change it to breakfast. So this is it. So you can head over to top priorities and prioritize this as well. Your daily reminder, just add a text. You can add a little bit of body text, change the font size, a reminder that you're modern enough. So let's just do that. So let's say modern enough. All right, so I'm just gonna draw that up to here. You see, so you can even have your daily affirmations. So you don't have to like go through the process of dragging and dropping again. You can just duplicate this, click on it and duplicate. And once that's duplicated, you can now drag and drop it in this and say, my daily affirmation says, I'm a child of God. And that's just it. So just go ahead and maximize whatever space that you have. You put top priorities and say visit somebody or just one thing, just add them here, drag, duplicate, and put them here, your top priorities. And then once you're done, head over to share, click on share. Of course, you can change the color of this planner by just clicking on the background and head over here to the background color and change it to whatever you want it to be. So it cannot be black. So change the colors, change the colors, change the colors, change the colors to whatever you want it to be. Okay. So click on share and also click on share, click on download, and once you click on download, you're gonna see this. It's a PDF standard. All right, so that helps you to print. So you can even click on this drop down menu. Here says PDF print, best for printing. So this is the one that you would like. So you can click on that, best for printing, and then color profile, all of the printing settings, and click on download. Now, once you click on download, it's going to be downloaded and you can now go ahead to print, and all of these colors are going to be maintained. So this is pretty much how you can design the printable planner in Canva. So you can go back to Tara from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're doing good to go, I hope this video helped you search.